This is how to create a pathfinding AI with Unity in a few minutes. So firstly open up Unity and select and create a new project, select 3D and name the project. In this case it will be named Pathfinding AI, then hit create. Next thing you are going to do is to design an obstacle for the AI to walk around. After that, on the top part of the screen hover your mouse to Windows, then hover on the AI button. After that click on the navigation button. Go to the navigation tab and select several objects, then classify objects as walkable or not. In this case the walls are not walkable while the floor is walkable. Then click on the bake button and bake your scene. Then add an object to the scene. And on the inspector tab click on add component and then type nav mesh agent, and then you have to configure the area mask to cover only walkable terrain, otherwise your AI will end up walking everywhere or collide with the walls every time. Now click on add component and type a name for your script. Outside of the class type using Unity Engine.ai. Then in the class create a public variable so that we can detect the camera and nav mesh agent. On the void update class type in if bracket input.get mouse button down bracket 0. Now type ray from camera equals to player camera dot screen point to ray brackets input dot mouse position colon. This basically shoots the raycast from the mouse position when it is clicked. Then type in raycast hit raycast colon and if physics.raycast brackets ray from camera comma out hit raycast. Then in the curly brackets type in player AI.set destination brackets hit raycast.point. This basically assigns the destination if the raycast has hit a movable surface. Now I am going to save that and go back to the scene and click on the player and drag the camera to assign it to the player camera and drag the player itself to player AI and then click play. Now the AI tries to get to its destination and avoids colliding with the wall. It works. Remember, this project will be on my GitHub page, link is at the description below. So I hope this video helps you with the click to move pathfinding AI and hope you stay tuned for more tutorials.